I did make it in a rush. It took me about 3 or 4 months to put the helmet together and 6 months total to get the whole suit together. I did debut this suit at RuRaniCon last year, if any of you were here. And I did go to the Halo 4 midnight release in it. People were excited. I did make a lot of little kids' nights there. I'm not Master Chief. That's the common misconception. Everyone calls me Master Chief, but I'm not Master Chief. Alright, that's enough about me. Over here, we have Oliver. He's one of our little cosplayers, usually a model. You may have seen him around in a couple of cons, depending on which ones you go to. He's done a couple of one. The first one I saw him in was as a male Blackrock shooter. He does do a pretty good male Blackrock shooter. This is a cannon that he went ahead and made. I went ahead and made some modifications. Greg went ahead and threw in those LEDs in there. Oliver, want to model it real quick?